How does majority opinion work in appeals? Have you ever wondered how decisions are made in appellate courts? Specifically, how does the majority opinion shape the outcome of appeals? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. In appellate courts, a majority opinion is the written explanation of the court's decision. This opinion reflects the views of more than half of the judges or justices who are reviewing the appeal. When a case is brought to an appellate court, it is typically examined by a panel of judges. This panel looks at the trial court's records, legal briefs, and sometimes hears oral arguments from both sides. After reviewing all the materials, the judges discuss the case privately and then vote on the outcome. The opinion that receives the most votes becomes the majority opinion. This opinion is important because it announces the final decision. For example, it might affirm, reverse, or send back the lower court's ruling for further consideration. But the majority opinion does more than just state the decision. It also explains the legal reasoning behind it. This explanation is essential because it guides lower courts and future cases on how the law should be interpreted and applied. If the judges do not all agree, those who disagree can write dissenting opinions. These opinions explain why they oppose the majority's conclusion. Additionally, judges who agree with the outcome but have different reasons can write concurring opinions. While these separate opinions do not change the final decision, they provide alternative legal reasoning that can be important for future cases. In practice, appellate courts often operate with panels of 3 judges. After the oral arguments and review of the case materials, the judges meet to discuss and vote. The judge chosen to write the majority opinion will draft it, which can take weeks or even months to complete. Once finalized, this opinion is published and becomes part of the official court record. In some cases, a party involved in the appeal may ask for a rehearing en banc. This means that the entire court, rather than just the panel, will reconsider the case. If this request is granted, the full court will issue a new majority opinion that replaces the earlier panel opinion. Understanding how majority opinions work is important for anyone interested in the legal system. These opinions shape legal precedents and clarify how laws are applied beyond just the specific case at hand. They reflected the collective judgment of the appellate court and provide transparency about the court's reasoning process.